Hey everybody, as promised I have the new 2019 Panini Legacy Football. 2 autographs, 16 packs per box, 8 cards per pack. And like baseball, it says look for hot boxes with exclusive bronze autographs. So we'll be looking for that. Unlike usual, I actually spent a few minutes today looking around to see what people were getting. Out of this, I went on Instagram and I didn't see any crazy big pulls as far as big name players, but I saw some really sweet autographs and patch autographs of some lower tier players. So obviously that I can't talk today. Obviously that doesn't mean that's what I'll get out of this box, but we're about to find out. At first glance, this box reminds me of Diamond Kings baseball. It looks just like the box, and you know, it's not too far off price wise either. A little bit more expensive than Diamond King, but more affordable than the average football product from Panini. Let me pull this back. Alright, make some room. Check this out really quick. 200 card set, 100 base, 60 rookies, 40 legends. Lots of colored. Base red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, black. Numbering from 299 down to 1. And lots of other stuff that has that same color scheme. Legends, ruby, bronze, sapphire, gold, diamond, platinum, and many different cards. Alright, lots to process there. Let's do this, see what we get. Got my little box ready. Looking good. Packs are nice. Cool. Barry Sanders on the front. Let's do this. Nice and clean. Probably won't be able to read it very well in this light. The names are in gold foil at the bottom. Yeah, I can barely see it in this light. Alright, Von Miller. Who is that? George Kittle. Kind of a thinner stock. Yeah, let's look at the back. I didn't look at the back. You know, pretty average. Mariota. Alright, I guess this is our first insert. Or no, it's just Legends. I guess this is like the subset part of the main set. Andre Reed. And an orange version to 199. Legends, Ed Reed. Rookie, Dexter Lawrence. And Julian Love. Clemson and Notre Dame. I can't read these. T.Y. Hilton. Devonta Freeman. Tyreek Hill. Benjamin Travis, but yeah, no, Tremaine Edmonds, sorry. Here's the first Chrome card, and it's Tom Brady. It's got a little bit of dust on it. Let me wipe it off so I can try to show it to you. It's tough in this light because it's going to just reflect. So it's kind of tough to really show you what it looks like. Catch a little bit of light in there. Anyways, so sweet. First parallels, Brady. Derwin James, Legacy. I think that's just a regular insert. Jarrett Stidham, rookie, and Cleveland Farrell. All right. Kenny Stills, Andy Dalton. Oh God, my brain is not working. Gronk. Chris Carson. I didn't recognize him. All right, Robert Smith, Legends. For the Abes? What does that mean? Ryan Fitzpatrick for the Abes? Ages! Oh my God, I thought that was a B. Tell me that doesn't look like a B. I'm like, what? What in the world are the Abes? Rookies, Terry McLaurin and Alex Barnes. I like the look of the rookie cards. I saw a couple of people posting the parallel versions of these, and they look sweet too. For the Abes. Alright, Sam Darnold. Oh, Sony Michel. Jalen Ramsey. Lamar Jackson. A Neil Anderson Legends. Here is a Matt Ryan parallel to 165. Looks to be a yellow, very bright yellow parallel. And the rookie cards of Noah Font and, I can't read that small letter, Gardner Minshew II. Gardner Minshew II. Alright, Juju, I think. Yep. Andrew Luck. Oh, who is this? Spencer Ware. Saquon. Having to double check. These people with their helmets on, I can't tell exactly who it is. Icky Woods, Legends. Especially when I can't see their number. Here's the first rookie parallel. Kelvin Harmon to 299. So compare that to the regular card. You can see the difference. Montez, Sweet, Caleb Wilson. This is a thick pack, so we'll hold on to that. Maybe that is something good. That's what a lot of people were posting, auto patch cards, and they looked really good. Khalil Mack. So we have a parallel in here. Jordan Thomas. Russell Wilson. Nick Foles. Brian Dawkins. Legends. Here is an orange parallel of Joe Mixon, I think. Yep, Joe Mixon. To 199. Then we have rookie cards of Nick Bosa and Dwayne Haskins. Two Ohio State rookies. Gurley. Trubisky. I recognized him. Thielen. DJ Moore. Legends, Peyton Manning. Record book. Who is this? Oh, Nick Chubb. That's nice. Rookie cards of Mac Wilson out of Bama and Devin White out of LSU. These are two good rookies, in my opinion. So we have another chrome in here. There's a little baby Eli. Carson Wentz. Devontae Adams. Gary Jennings Jr. That is the first autograph. So it is one of the chrome hollow silver prism Gary Jennings Jr. rookie auto. That looks really good. Not numbered, but still that looks good. I saw a lot of these on Instagram today too. They're pretty sweet. Legends, Warren Moon. Timeless Talents, Kurt Warner. And then rookie cards of Josh Jacobs and David Sills the 5th. Oh, wow. We're just going to skip ahead to that. Dexter Lawrence rookie. That's the chrome parallel. That looks so good. Wow. And then we have another rookie parallel. Andy Isabella, yellow to 165. David Montgomery and Dechai Polite. I don't know that player. You'd think I would have heard his name since he plays for Florida. So, Flacco, Garoppolo, Kelsey, and Adam Humphries. My little stack's about to fall over. Yeah. So I'm assuming that fat pack is going to be a hold or other auto. Hopefully a patch auto since it's thick. We'll see. Who is this? Marlon Mack. Oh, Matt Ryan. Shady. I thought that's who that was, but I had to check still. Matthew Stafford. Kellen Winslow, Legends. Saquon for the ages, sorry. I swear it looks like a B to me. That's a nice card. I'd like to see that in a parallel version. Rookie cards of Byron Murphy and Ryan Finley. Kenyon. Kyle Long. Doug Baldwin. Fournette. Troy Aikman Legends. Lasting Legacies. Jim Brown. Rookie cards of A.J. Brown and Riley Ridley. Jamal Adams. Adrian Peterson. Wow, he looks strange in the Redskins uniform. Christian Kirk. Dalvin Cook. Art Scott Legends. A red Marcus Peters parallel. This is to 299, I think. Yep, 299. That looks good. Ed Oliver rookie and my friend Lil Jordan Humphrey. Lil Jordan, but now he's a big man in the NFL. See what he does. Who is this? Oh, Jared Goff. Luke Kuechly. Joe Mixon. Marshawn Lynch. Dick Butkus Legends. Record Book. Gotskowski. Rookie cards, Devin Singletary and Josh Allen. Alright. Michael Thomas. Leighton Vander Esch. Mr. Aaron Rodgers. I would have known that if I had looked at the picture. Mike Evans. And then we have a Chrome Legends, Eric Metcalf. The plain Chrome is pretty sweet, but the hollow version is much sweeter. Timeless Talents, Ray Lewis. And rookie cards of Jonathan Abram and Darrell Henderson. Alright, last regular pack, and then we'll crack open that fatty. Let's see what we have. Ooh, got something going on here. Alright, Alex Smith. Julio. Kirk Cousins. This is a Chrome Myles Gaskin rookie. This is numbered out of, let me get it in the light, 50. So it looks to be like a blue parallel version. That's pretty nice. Look at that. Wow. Then we have Walt Garrison, Legends, Record Book, Paul Hornung, Kyler Murray, rookie finally, and Devin Bush II. Alright, let's see what we got going on here. You can see it's definitely fatter than the other packs. There's a fat card there. Let's do this. Let's pull these up and check them out first. Earl Campbell, Legends. Terry Bradshaw, Lasting Legacies. Rookie card of Rashawn Gary. Irv Smith Jr., Alabama. Josh Rosen. Yeah, I had to make sure. Aqib Talib. Philip Lindsay. And it's a Will Greer player worn material autograph. Yep, it's pretty sweet. Look at that. Wow. That is a good looking card. It'd be really nice if each box had something sweet like this. So that's my two autos, both rookies, but that's fine. Looks pretty good. They both look really good. You can't fault them for that. This is a lot of what I was seeing on Instagram, a lot of this type of stuff. I didn't really see, I'm not sure I saw any vet hits, but I know they're out there. I'm just saying, I just didn't see any, but we'll see. I think I told you guys in the contest announcement video that I have 2 boxes of this, so I'll get that one opened for you and posted soon after this one. Thanks so much for watching. Everybody take care, and I'll be back with y'all again soon.